J. Ramakrishna. Question number 3 from 10th class electricity. An electric bulb is rated 220 volt and 100 watt. When it is operated on 110 volt, the power consumed is from power rating formula. Power specified is equal to V specified square by resistance of the bulb. From this we can find the resistance of the coil of the bulb, that is R is equal to V specified square by P specified, that is V specified is 220 into 220 by P specified is 100. We get 22 square ohm. Now it is operated at 110 volt. Then power consumed is voltage operating voltage square by resistance of the coil, that is 110 into 110 divided by resistance of the coil is 22 into 22. 11 tens are 11 twos are 11 tens are 11 twos are 2 fives are 2 fives are, we get 25 watt. Next question number 4. Two conducting wires of the same material and of equal lengths and equal diameters are first connected in series and then parallel in a circuit across the same potential difference. The ratio of heat produced in series and parallel combinations would be, same material means resistivity will be same, and of equal lengths and equal diameters means they have indirectly given the resistances of the wires are same. Then in a series, let resistance of each wire is R when they are connected in a series across a source of potential difference V. Let current passing is IS. Then IS is given by V by RS, that is V by in series R plus R, that is 2R. Then power consumed is given by I series square into R series, that is I series is V by 2R, that is V square by 4R square, and R series is R plus R, that is 2R. R gets cancelled and 2 2s are. Then power consumed in a series combination is given by V square by 2R. When the same wires are connected parallel, R and R across the same source of potential difference V, let current passing through this wire is IP. Here since they are connected in parallel, RP will be R by 2. Equivalent resistance in parallel combination is R by 2. Now I parallel is V by R parallel, that is V by R parallel is R by 2. Now power consumed in parallel combination is I parallel square into R parallel. On substituting the values, I parallel square is 2V by R whole square into R by 2, that is 4V square by R square into R by 2. R gets cancelled, 2 2s are, that is 2V square by R. Now the ratio of P series to P parallel is given by, that is V square by 2R divided by 2V square by R. v square gets cancelled, r also gets cancelled, that is 1 by 4